today for the Bitcoin price. And everyone is asking himself right now, including me, by the way, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin right now? Whole crypto space was already getting very, very excited as Bitcoin was actually here, breaking the all-time high, hitting 69,000 US dollars for the first time in the history of Bitcoin. And now the most important question is this the beginning of a blow off top? Are we actually going to, or is Bitcoin actually going to screw over all the bulls? Or was just this one last shakeout to actually shake out long positions, go down for a stop hunt before we are reversing towards the upside for good? I will talk about that. I will talk about price targets, about my positions right now on Bitcoin and on altcoins as well. And obviously everything, what's going on in the market right now. Guys, smash up the like button, watch this video until the very end. And of course, share this video, these videos, especially when it's maybe going down a little bit, 8-9%. Like this is more than a 100 billion US dollar dump just in Bitcoin, not even talking about the altcoins. In times like this, I need even more your feedback. Please, guys, show me that you want the videos here in good times and bad times. And whatever is happening here, I will be here for you. All I need is smash up the like button, share the video, make noise for the algorithm. And now let's go here straight into the content. What you can see here is Bitcoin on the hourly candles. We broke out perfect. We hit the price target from the symmetrical triangle. Also very amazing. And then from this falling wedge, we hit the price target as well. So technically, there was nothing too long here, obviously. And I was also saying, I'm not saying that I predicted this dump. No, whatsoever, I'm not saying that. But what I was saying, it's not the time too long. In the last live video, I was telling you, it's not the same like the last many years that when Bitcoin is actually breaking the previous all-time high that you can just blindly open a long position. It's different every single time. Actually, let me show you. Every single time also in February, March, April, when we hit a new all-time high right here, we got a sell-off. Here we hit a new all-time high, we got an immediate sell-off. We are usually not staying at an all-time high unless Bitcoin is not shaking out of a few people and then going higher. The same thing happened here, of course. Even though I didn't predict that, I was very well prepared for that, because this is what happens time and time again for Bitcoin. It's just the market is not allowing anymore these easy positions just going on when we are hitting an all-time high. So now the question is, what is going to happen next? Well, first of all, let's focus on the 1 hourly candles. And if I'm zooming out a little bit and pulling out the VPVI, then you can see that actually right now, Bitcoin is finding, VPVI, come in. Bitcoin is finding tremendous support right here in the traffic zone. So what I want to look out for multiple reasons, I will tell you exactly why, is for Bitcoin to hold the 60 to 61,000 US dollars when worst comes to worst. If we are not holding the 60, I am expecting a massive sell-off. As long as we are holding the 60K level, I'm showing you, nothing is changing, and this remains just a small wick in the history for Bitcoin. What you can see on the daily candles is the breakout from the cup and handle pattern is still on. We are still above the upward sloping support of the previous rising wedge. And even if we are going down to 61, we would still be holding it. Right? This is what I'm looking out for. And the most important support is actually right here, just slightly below the 60,000 US dollar level. As long as we are closing with a daily candle above the 58 to 60,000 dollar level, we are holding the most important support. And as long as we are holding above the 61, we are even creating higher lows here on the daily candles, which still we are in for higher lows and higher highs. So we are definitely in a bull trend, and nothing is changing here on the daily candles. On the hourly, on the 4 hourly, be a little bit more careful. Of course, guys, this is what I was telling you for a very long time. And obviously, still, as we are on the daily and on the weekly, still in an uptrend, still in bullish mode, 72, 74,000 US dollars, my price targets I mentioned earlier, they remain completely untouched. And on the weekly candles even more. You can see we are touching the resistance right now, potentially getting resistance, but still we are consolidating not only among all-time high, but also among resistance. And this is, dear ladies and gentlemen, obviously something bullish. Keep in mind, on the monthly candles, we are even above the previous resistance, which already turned into support, which we already confirmed on the monthly candles. I was talking about that many times. If you're asking yourself, what is going on here on the right-hand side of your chat? Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, is the codename VChat. Almost 50,000 people in this chat. This is the most hyped group and the most engaged group on Telegram, not only in crypto, but in general. Down below, join the fastest growing crypto community and Telegram community in the world by clicking the link. It is for free. And on top of that, by joining the community, you are going to get free tokens as well. Obviously, guys, I will talk tomorrow also about altcoins. Give me some feedback, smash up the like button. If you want me to talk more about altcoins, include them here also in my daily analysis and on top of content I would be doing regardless. And of course, in the pinned comment down below, you are finding bonuses just below $10,000. Click the links down below. The Bybit link alone grants you already $4,100. This was already it for today. I know it's a short one, but it's extremely late here and I have to go sleep. We will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And for everyone who is watching until the very end, you know that some people say, well, a Rolex is a flex. I want to show you the biggest one. I have a CryptoPunk on my watch. Actually, I have two CryptoPunks. If you are clicking it, then you can see it switching even. Let me click it. Boom. How nice is this? I really love it. I don't know. Maybe I'm a geek. Here I'm having more on the wall, of course, as you know. Whenever the price is going down, I like to look at them and think like, wow, that would be many Bitcoin in the future. Anyway, let me know what you think about it. We are going to see each other very soon at the next crypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.